Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, July 25th, 2023. It is 3:40 and 15 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, cell signaling. So let's come to it here. WNT signaling, interpreted differently, depending on the receiving cell, and signal duration. Date July 19th. 2023. Source: Linköping University. The same message can be interpreted differently by different individuals, also among cells. This is shown in a study by researchers who studied cell communication through WNT signaling, which plays a decisive role in embryo development and cancer. Their findings are surprising in light of the prevailing conception of how WNT signaling works. It soon turned out that WNT signaling also plays a basic function in embryo development in a variety of organisms, from fruit flies to humans. At the outset of life, WNT signaling is vital for the body to form properly, while dysregulated communication between cells may lead to cancer. A key question they are trying to answer is whether this communication mode works in a similar way in these two distinct phases. It has long been told that when a cell sends a WNT message to another cell, the receiving cell undergoes behavioral changes. This is achieved by activating certain genes in the genome and repressing others. WNT signaling has long been regarded to always activate the same groups of genes, leading to the term WNT target genes, but the current study uppers this assumption as a research group has shown that a signal may have radically different effects depending on its duration. In their experiments, the researchers saw that the same signal given to a specific cell type, such as embryonic stem cells, has significantly varying effects depending on the duration of the signal. The cell responds differently depending on whether the signal is delivered for 90 minutes, 4 hours, and 3 days. It is not simply a matter of prolonging the same message. A long-standing key issue in developing biology is all the cells contain the same genome. How does a cell know which of all the genome's instructions to use to get its correct identity? They believe this discovery has uncovered a new type of cell behavior related to the instruction manual of the genome. Some cells generally read and utilize the information to change their identity, while others choose not to use it for that purpose. The study reveals how this works in the context of the WNT signaling communication mechanism. This novel phenomenon, to their knowledge, has never been previously discovered. What the researchers also discovered is that it has to do not only with the message, but also with the identity of the receiving cell. When the exact same signal is given to two different types of cells, their immediate responses are also distinct. The researchers believe that the reason behind this phenomenon is the cell's prior experiences. One of the cell types subjected to WNT signaling is immature embryonic stem cells, as these are the youngest cells and can be further developed into all various specialized cell types in an organism. When the stem cells in the researcher's experiment received WNT signaling, their identity changed to resemble a specialized cell type, a behavior that the researchers refer to as plastic. The researchers also studied how specialized cell types react to the same signaling. Despite receiving the same signal, these cells changed only temporarily and ultimately returned to their initial state, an unexpected behavior that the team calls elastic. One hypothesis that the researchers raise is that the second type of behavior, elastic, may contribute to cancer cell aggressive behavior. The new insights into this phenomenon may come to be used in the development of new treatment strategies to impact cancer cell response to WNT signaling. This knowledge may also lay the foundation for discoveries exactly which genes the signal targets in different situations. And this is a professor of microbiology, bioinformatics, pathophysiology, kindly to your research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.